Want to know the best way to repair your MBOX file in seconds? If yes, download BitRecover MBOX Fixer Wizard. It is a 100% secure and easy to use application to repair your MBOX file without any problem. If you want to know more about the software, please watch the video. Go to Open tab and click on it. A pop-up window shows the Select an option from Choose Folder and Choose Files. We are selecting Choose Files option to upload MBOX files. Now, go to desired location and select MBOX files and click on Open button. Click on OK button. The tool lists all the MBOX mailboxes in the software interface. Check the MBOX mailboxes which data you want to fix it. Click on the email to view the message. It's fantastic that you can see all of the details of email like to, CC, subject, date and others. Click on the Save button. Click on the folder icon and choose the destination path of repaired file and click on OK button. Click on OK button to start the process of repaired. Saving completed successfully. Click on OK button. Go to destination location and check the repaired files.